Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an arrow shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make an arrow shape in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu. And we can see here many shapes category. Now I go to the block arrows option and we can see here many arrows. Now I select any arrows. Now I select this curve arrow. Then draw this. Now we can see we make arrow shape very easily. Go back again the option and insert another arrows. Now we can see we make an arrow shape this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the color video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.